Oh my god, hello guys. Today is Thursday. I'm absent. Hello. I'm getting ready. So that's why I'm here at my house. I'm absent because I'm going to the mall. I'm going to the mall to buy some food because tomorrow is my field trip. I'm absent today Thursday because I'm going to the mall and buy some groceries for my field trip. Tomorrow is my field trip. I'm gonna. How many hours? Yung tutulog tayo. 4 hours, and if it's 1 p.m., 1 a.m., we're gonna wake up. Look, it's so early. And we're gonna go to Gardenia Bread Factory. They said Monday Factory and Novali Park and Enchanted Kingdom, the short name EK. Like, you guys know Melinda Padrico, the name of a other YouTuber. That's I have so many YouTube channels. It's like 1, 2, and 3, 4. Because my Melas and my iPad has TikTok, so it's 4. That's why I'm sick today's Thursday because I had a fever. I had a fever. Yeah. So wait. Yeah, I had a fever. Yeah, I had a fever because I don't want to talk about that. It's so scary. Like, it's a Filipino tradition and a Filipino incident. Yeah, like Nababati. Yeah, because there's so many trees here. Like, it's so scary, and I'm like, you can